Whether you have been using 1688 Chinese shopping app for a very long time, or you are new to 1688 Chinese shopping app and using the app to source and ship products from China, and you don't want to get account restricted at login, or you have been restricted on your account and you are trying to create another account, there are some important things you need to know the reason why you are getting restricted on your 1688 Chinese shopping app account. And as a result of this, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp and make a complaint about this account restricted, and I decided to make a video about it to enlighten more people that are using 1688 Chinese shopping app to be aware of some of the reasons why you can get restricted on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So if you are ready to learn more about this, consider to stay tuned to this video from beginning to the end and pay proper attention to some of the reasons why you will get restricted on your 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, iDoFish, or JD.com, Alibaba or AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to follow your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source, ship product from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Like I said at the beginning of this video, someone reached out to me about this account restricted on my WhatsApp, and I decided to make a video about it so a lot of people can be aware of some of the reasons why you can get restricted on your account. Whether you have been using this app for a very long time or new, you need this particular information in this video. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my WhatsApp right here. So just like what you see right here, hello boss, please saw your videos of logging in your 1688 account, but there are restrictions on the account. Please, can you help me out? So this is my response right here, and they were able to send this out. Okay, this is what this person always gets each time they are trying to log in to 1688. And then as a result of that, if you click on the next page, so it's going to ask you to do different kind of verification. It might ask you to verify with your location. It might ask you for real-time authentication or an appeal of identity, as the case may be. However, there are things that cause all this problem. And if you don't want to encounter this particular problem, I have two reasons for this particular problem that you need to pay proper attention to. One of the reasons that might get your account restricted at login page on 1688 is that if you are trying to use VPN frequently on your phone, you are likely to get this type of account restricted for any time you want to log into your 1688 app, because 1688 Chinese shopping app work mostly with location tracking. Some of these Chinese apps track your location, you may not know. And as a result of using VPN, everyone knows that VPN mostly block location tracking. And as a result of that, if you are accessing your 1688 app and at the same time you turn on VPN on your phone, it will be difficult for 1688 to access your location tracking. And as a result of that, your account will be restricted from logging in. And this is one of the major reasons why a lot of people are getting restricted. So if you are the type that are using VPN mostly on your phone, whether you are using Android phone or iPhone, make sure you turn off your VPN before you go ahead and open your 1688 app or thinking of logging into your 1688 app. Make sure you always turn off your VPN before you can open the app. This is one of the reasons I want you to pay proper attention to. The second reason I have as far as this particular account restricted is concerned is that if you open a 1688 account, let's say you open a 1688 account this particular month, let's say for instance this is April, and you open 1688 accounts today, and after April, May, June, July, you find it difficult to log in for once into that account. Believe me, any day, anytime you want to re-log in back to the account, your account will be restricted, because the account will be treated as idle resources, because there is no any activities on the account. And as a result of that, if you have an account on 1688 that is very longer period without any activities, you did not open the account, you did not check on anything on the app, you just download, register, and keep the account for nothing. It is an idle resources, and 1688 shopping app does not want something like that. And as a result of that, your account will be restricted. And you may even find it difficult to create another account as a result of that. It is a great violation. So if you know that you don't want your account to be restricted from 1688, make sure that once you log in successful, try as much as possible on weekly basis, do open the account, do different product search, even if you are not buy, do product search, chat with supplier once in a while, once in a week. As a result of that, you can be able to show that you retain the account, because they need activities going on the account. And if there is no any activity going on the account for about 2 or 3 months, believe me, the account will be restricted anytime you want to log in back to the account. And these are the reasons why some people are getting account restricted on 1688. So pay proper attention to this. And if you still have any question for me as far as this particular tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship source product from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, iDoFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.